Hey there, I'm Jessa Jones from iPad Rehab Microsoldering here in Western New York. Something that I've repaired over the last 6 months that's really meaningful is one I just did right now. It's Jan's iPad mini. She came in with a completely dead, non-functional iPad mini that ended up having a motherboard problem that I was able to Frankenstein a little bit, solve a problem so that we could get that device to boot up. We were able to recover this really important data, pictures of her recently deceased beloved dog, Blaren. That's Jan's last dog. She's 78 years old, and let's take a look. There we go. And then this is familiar, right? So you can...
That's my boy.
Yeah.
Aww. Sweetheart. I had taken a indoor-outdoor wood and a 4x8, cut it in half and made a ramp for here. Made a ramp for the bed inside. And
So you're a fixer.
yeah, that's why I said I would love this.
Yeah.
Would love it, yeah.
So this is a new iPad. Now here's your old iPad. Boot it up, right? It's Frankenstein together, right? So you can see there's a wire right here, and that wire is going up there to that machine. I'm really glad for you to be able to get those memories back. You know, that's such a powerful story about repair, I think. And we wouldn't be able to figure this stuff out without parts and information. And I think it's really important to have the freedom to be able...
I know, it's not fair for them to not let you get at your stuff that you've lost and to force you to go to the cloud or wherever they want you to go. I mean, it was my own little...
What does it mean to you to get back these pictures?
It means the world to me because I had no way to get them back. Freedom for privacy, it's really important to me to have privacy, and I feel like today with all the new ways they're doing things, it's really hard to keep your privacy. They don't make it easy.
Right.
And
Absolutely.
I think that's a horrible thing and that they have no right to do that.
Yeah, it's really challenging. We just found out trying to migrate this from an old, now unsupported device to a new one.
Right.
What do you think should change so that repair becomes easier? Because you're a fixer, right?
Yes, and I was going to try to fix it, but number one, originally I thought it was just a battery, so I thought, okay, I'll take it apart, I'll change the battery. So the first thing that Apple did is they put the battery at the bottom of everything. So for somebody who's not comfortable with taking everything apart to get at the battery, I thought that was a crime because you should be able to change your battery.
Right.
At least do that. And then for everything else, and I found out that Apple doesn't support repair of what they call vintage. And that's not right, you know. When you repair cars, old cars, get an old car part. Although I'm finding out even like with new vehicles like a John Deere tractor, you know, a farmer had a John Deere tractor, broke down, full of all this new computerized stuff. He was stuck for 2-3 days without being able to take care of his crop because he had to wait for somebody to be able to support what went wrong with the tractor.
Right,
That's
absolutely.
criminal.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it's the same with cars or with iPads or anything these days. It's made to be thrown out and replaced with something new. But then they forget people have attachment to their memories, which are on old computers.
Can you, what would you say to this? Summarize repair in one word.
Life-changing.
Life-changing.
Yeah, makes you feel a stress remover. Life-changing. It just gives you back what you lost.
Yeah.
Like, sort of like, what is that, life insurance or insurance, you know?
Right.
Being able to get back what you had.
Yeah. Transformative, maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for being a good sport and,
Oh, thank you.
sharing your voice and And I'm glad that we were able to
God, you did awesome.
get this completely dead and unsupported iPad mini, which if you go to the Apple store, they offer no support, no repair for iPads of any kind, no matter what.
No.
And there was really meaningful stuff on here
There
that,
was nowhere to go, and I was just lucky somebody knew about you, because otherwise
yeah,
it would all be gone.
yeah. Well, I'm glad that didn't happen. All right.
Thank you.
All right, and that's our repair story. So happy International Repair Day and support the right to repair. Oh,
Oh, shit. That's the dog. Probably cracked the floor.
I thought you were carrying around his ashes or something when you said that's the dog.
Do I have to be in it?
Well, let's see. All right, here's your...
Because I'll cry.
Well, I was going to make a video called Watch Me Make an Old Lady Cry.
Thanks, Mom.
But then I thought that'd be too rude. All right.